everybody. What's that sound? It's so familiar, but I don't know where it's from. Wait, I'm just gonna go play some games. Oh my goodness, look, it's NYAN CAT! Look at him! Oh no! Okay, let's go play some games. Okay, I have to enjoy this. Oh my goodness, is NYAN CAT really invading me? Oh my goodness, NYAN CAT, please stop! NYAN CAT, please stop! Why are people following me? NYAN CAT, please stop! Please stop! It's so laggy, I can't even get in the Soul Arcade! Oh my goodness, I can't even see my screen anymore! Baby NYAN CAT. Get me at the bottom of the screen. It's only at the bottom of the screen, okay? So you all don't have to panic. It's only at the bottom of the screen. Why are people following me? Huh? Oh my goodness. You don't know how bad this is. Okay, let's do this. Oh my goodness, the NYAN CATs are taking over my screen. I'm scared of NYAN CAT now. Please, someone help me. NYAN CAT, get off my screen, please. I need to fix this problem soon. Oh my goodness, NYAN CAT. I don't want to look at you anymore. Can I pick up like the big one? That'd be so cool. Oh my goodness, I can't even see my screen anymore. Oh my goodness, the NYAN CATs have completely invaded my screen. I can barely see where my animal is. Don't ask how bad this is right now. I can't even see what's going on. I'm hallucinating. Everything's rainbow. Oh my goodness! Someone please help me. Oh my goodness. I'm dead. I'm so dead. How am I surviving this though? I can barely see my screen. Oh my! I'm dead. How am I still alive? Literally. Okay. There we go. Oh my goodness, I can track them. I can't even see the screen, everyone. I don't even know what I'm doing anymore. Am I even in Animal Jam? What is going on? Look at my screen. Oh my gosh. Please go away. Let's go to my den. Let's see if they'll go away if I go to my den. Oh my goodness. Do I have any water? Wait. I need to see my screen. Maybe I have water. I need to scare them away with water. Wait. Aha! I pour lemon juice in their face. I pour lemon juice in your face now on cats. I think I want to end the video here. Oh my. I'm never going to be able to do this. Okay, so, oh my gosh. Please, I need to see my screen right now. Oh my goodness. I can't even see the screen anymore. So thanks for watching, everyone, and I'll see you in the NYAN CAT video. I would continue this video if this wasn't that laggy. But, sorry. I have to end the video. I'm sorry. Unless I find a cure for it. Then I'll be completely fine. Maybe I might be able to find a cure. Wait, let me see. Let's see if I can stop this by just pressing a single button. I can only see my screen for like half a second. Oh my goodness, look how big that NYAN CAT is. Okay, everyone, I'm actually looking up online on what's the cure for this. Oh, that was gone for too long, apparently. That's the cure, apparently. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Wait. I think I got it. Yes! I did it! The 9 cats are gone. Woo! Now I can finally press the sound button. I was wondering where all the sound was. Good job, 9 cats. You made my day. No, because okay, you just left. Still, you make me happy. You make me so happy. Is that even a real song? Nope. I see my kitty sitting down. He's pretty long. But one thing I got to do about that cat is make him watch this video. There's nothing anyone can do about that. Okay, I'm sorry. 6 days for the polar bears? I didn't know. Let's see if I can recycle my animal. Oh, I need to be a member to get new animals. Let's see if I can get Wolfie Pie to come on in a second. Nope, I don't think so. I think I'm gonna recycle some of my diamonds or gems. Interesting. Crack this piece of popcorn. I don't know why I have popcorn in my room anyways. People stop writing and requesting me. Okay. Looks like someone's trading someone. Yeah. What is it? Wait, let me see who that is. Goodness. What is wrong with this? Oh my goodness. Sorry everyone that the video is being very... Never. Okay, thanks. Anyway, bye. Oh, he really wants my socks. But I ain't giving away my socks. I think I might wear my clarinet real quick. Yeah, I wear it for my sweater. Oh, wanna do some trade attempts, everyone? Let's go. Trade attempts, here we go. Gonna go hi yo. Okay. Let's see what will be on my trade attempts list. Let's get everything off the list. Let's dance right here. Trade attempts. Trade attempts with my shift back away from There we go. Let's see if someone tries to do something. Let's see if a trade attempt happens. Trade attempt with my handshake backpack. Oh, this is really painful to say no, but I'm afraid no. Attempt. Trade. Attempt. Did decline. This is going to be really boring, everyone, but let's see how many trades I'll get that are really good that I'm going to decline. One was like amazing a second ago. Oh my goodness, I swear, if that person trades me the Phoenix armor, I'm going to be really pained that I said no. I'm going to have to because I'm not a scammer. Promise. Pros. Let's wait until it slowly goes away. Alright, ever gonna get a good trade that I'm not going to accept? young fellow, I'm not going to accept. Okay, I think I'm going to end the video here. So thanks for watching, everyone, and I'll see you in the next video. Wait, never mind. Okay. End the video. Okay. Oh, not party, not party. Wait. Let's actually go to parties real quick. Let's do the journey book quest. Ready, everyone? Let's do this. Actually, I'm going to hang out here. Let's try this game, shall we? Oh my goodness, kind of like Pac-Man. Okay. It's so much fun. Quickly. This way. This way. This way. Let's go. They even have the sound effects too. Wait. They even have the killing the phantom, killing the ghost things. So yeah, I think I'm gonna end the video here. Thanks for watching, everyone, and see you in the next video. Wait, I think I'm gonna end the video once I die. Once I die, I'm gonna end the video there. So let's see if I'll ever die. Let's see. Oh. Keep going this way. This is actually really fun. But I think I'm gonna end the video while playing this game. So thanks for watching, everyone, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.